38 million views, 36 million views, 34 million views.
And that's not all.
Every single video on this channel has more than 1 million views.
And it has a total of 597, wait, how do you even say this? Yeah, 597 million views. And all these views have come from 45 short videos under 1 year. Isn't that mind-blowing? Now here's the best part. You're gonna learn how to make videos like this from scratch, step by step, with After Effects. Nope, that was a joke. We're not doing that. Life's already hard enough. So no After Effects, no paid AI tools. And after watching this video, you will become a pro at making these viral videos. Is this video another clickbait? Or are we gonna learn something useful? I know this is the question that pops up in your mind right now. Watch this next video and then decide. Because this is what we are gonna learn today.
What you're about to see is the largest predator humans have ever documented. Locals in Africa actually thought that this creature was a dinosaur. That's how big this crocodile was. And they named it Gustavo, not the one from Breaking Bad. Gustavo was born deep in the waters of Burundi's Ruzizi River and Lake Tanganyika. Gustavo is believed to be a giant Nile crocodile, estimated to be over 20 feet long and weighing more than 1,000 kilograms. His body is scarred with bullet wounds and spear marks, proof that people tried and failed to kill him.
Every viral video has one thing in common, and that's gonna determine if the video is gonna get 1,000 views or 1 million views. Can you guess what I'm talking about? It's the video script. If you guess that right, that means you have a good knowledge of how YouTube works. A lot of you guys have emailed me and asked me about a one-to-one consultant service or a coaching program. So I decided to start that. You can find me on Fiverr. The link is in the description. If you are a beginner or someone who has already started YouTube automation and has no results, I can help you. Check out the link in the description. Okay, enough with that. Let me show you how to create the most viral script ever. Here's the topic I'm gonna select: the biggest crocodile in the world. But wait, this topic is a bit boring. So let's change it to the crocodile so big it was mistaken for a dinosaur. Did you see what I did? Instead of using a boring and typical topic, I converted it into something interesting and mind-blowing. If you want to beat the competition and go viral, you have to apply this to every single video. Okay, for the video script, you can just go to ChatGPT and generate a script. But it will give you a basic script that's completely garbage.
Imagine walking through a dense swamp and seeing a creature so massive, so ancient-looking, that your brain doesn't think animal.
It thinks dinosaur.
We don't need our script to sound like that. We need it to sound like a natural script. And it's fine to use ChatGPT, but you have to edit that script at least 70%. What I would recommend is to use ChatGPT just to get a basic idea about your topic, and then change the script with your own words. So you have to write a script for your videos manually. Let's break down the script I created by myself. We are starting with a unique hook, and it goes like this. What you're about to see is the largest predator humans have ever documented. This is how you create that instant curiosity. This is a short video, so it's gonna be around 60 seconds. But I have also added a mid-video script to keep the viewers till the end, and it goes like this. Here's the craziest thing. Gustavo isn't just big, he's deadly. And then I have described how many people are killed by this crocodile. And make sure to exaggerate things throughout the script. It will help you to keep your viewer till the end. Once you are done with the script, we need a super realistic AI voice. And the best website for that is 11 Labs. I would recommend using a young and energetic voice.
Your anger against every form of insult and oppression must be out of love.
Today, let's explore the mysteries of our solar system. Now, who here can tell me what our planet is made of?
A voice like this would be okay, but you can also create a unique voice just for yourself. You just need to go to this voice and click the Create a Voice option. From here, select this Voice Design option. Now, you can create any sort of voice with just a prompt. Here's the prompt that I'm going to use. In this prompt, I have included all the details I want. Honestly, I didn't create it myself. I had a little help from ChatGPT, so you can do the same. Okay, here we have 3 voice options. Let's hear them.
Hey everyone, have you ever wondered what makes our planet so unique? It's incredible, right? From the deepest oceans to the highest peaks, there's so much to discover.
Okay, this one is perfect. Let's check the other 2 as well.
Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered what makes our planet so unique? It's incredible, right? From the deep—
Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered what makes our planet so unique? It's incredible, right? When I compare these three voices, I think the first one is better. So let's select it and give it a name. I'm going to call this James Bond. Now, you can save this and use this voice for your video. To be honest, this is not a sponsored video. I really like this tool and its quality, and all the links are in the description. Okay, now, let's learn the most important part of this video: how to animate and make visuals in the same style as this channel. The first thing we need to do is read the video script and get a clear idea about what characters we have and what sort of backgrounds we need. In this video, we need a huge crocodile, obviously, and some images of African tribes. As the background, we can use some images of rivers or African forests. When it comes to these images, you can use a real image from Google, or you can just generate AI images. Choose whatever is easy for you. Once you find those images, we need to make some edits. I'm going to use Photoshop for this because that's what is easy for me. You can use Canva or Photopea for that. We just need to remove the backgrounds of these images and do some edits. Here is what I'm going to do. I'm going to separate this head from this image, and we're going to convert this into a cartoon style, just the face. Don't worry, you don't have to draw it. We are going to use AI for this process. I'm going to go to Nano Banana and use this unique prompt. You can get this prompt from the description. It's going to convert the head of the image into a unique cartoon style. You just need to copy this prompt and upload the image you want, and you're going to get a result like this. If you are not happy with the result, just generate several images till you get the perfect version. Then, you can replace the head with the cartoon image like this and export the image. Now let's go back to editing. I'm going to use CapCut for this. Before starting this, we need one thing. It's an realistic AI avatar. This is actually optional. If you like, you can use it. What I did was generate this realistic character with Nano Banana, and we can easily convert it into a talking avatar with HeyGen. As I mentioned earlier, this is completely optional. Once you go to HeyGen, you just need to upload your character and make an AI avatar, and give it a name, just like I'm doing it here. If you want a detailed tutorial about this, I will attach a video in the description. You can follow it. Make sure to use a green screen background so that you can easily remove it later. Now, we can start the editing process. Let's start a new project in CapCut. First of all, you need to select this Modify option and select the suitable aspect ratio for this video. Then, import all the images and voiceover files. I'm going to start by adding the voiceover part first to the timeline. Then, I'm going to add the background image to the timeline. Then, we can add our AI avatar. As you can see here, it has a green background. What you need to do is click the Remove Background option and enable this chroma key mode. Now click this color picker icon and select the background green color. Just like this, it's going to remove the background. Then, for the next scene, we can add this character. And let's place it in the middle. Now, we need to add some animation to this. This is kind of tricky. I'm going to go to this website called Vecteezy. You need to search for green screen eyes. Then you will get these animated cartoon eyes. A lot of these are free to download. This is one of those animated eyes that I downloaded, and I'm going to add those to the timeline, just like I showed you before. We need to remove this green background. And let's place the eyes here. Now it looks cool and animated. Okay, and make sure to select both layers and make it a compound layer. It's going to convert these two clips into one clip so that we can easily edit it. Now, let's add a simple sliding animation to this. For that, I'm going to press this little icon to make a keyframe. And let's go back to the starting point of this layer, and I'm going to bring it above the editing area like this. Now we have this simple sliding animation for this character. And now I'm going to add this image of this crocodile. And we need to add animated eyes to this as well. So this is a set of animated eyes I downloaded. Let's add this to the crocodile just like we did before. It's the same process. Now I'm going to place this crocodile behind this man. And let's make it smaller, and we can add some animation to this as it moves behind this man. And the process is the same. We just need to add keyframes. Let's bring it here and click this small icon to add a keyframe. Then I'm going to move it to this side. Let's add a keyframe here. So after I played with these movements, I finally got this result.
What you're about to see is the largest predator humans have ever documented. Locals in Africa actually thought that this creature was a dinosaur. That's how big this crocodile was. And they named it Gustavo, not the one from Breaking Bad. Gustavo was born deep in the waters of Burundi's Ruzizi River and Lake Tanganyika.
Can you guess what we are missing in this video? Yes, you are right. It's sound effects. Let's add some sound effects for this video. Pixabay is one of the free websites where you can download any sound effects. Let's break down the sound effects I'm going to use for this video.
What you're about to see is the largest predator humans have
I added a growling sound effect here when this crocodile appears.
ever documented. Locals in Africa actually thought that this creature was a dinosaur. That's how big this crocodile was. And they named it Gustavo, not the one from Breaking Bad.
Okay, here I have added some screaming sounds, so I think you understand what I'm doing here. You just need to add funny or any sort of sound effects to make your video more interesting. Just like this, you need to edit every scene. And that's how you can create viral short videos with After Effects. And with that, today's video has come to an end. I hope you guys learned some valuable information from this video. I wish you the best of luck, and I will see you guys in the next video.